Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jim Batch is here with TradePulse. Really excited to be here today and share another example of how you can take advantage of real-time order flow analytics when making trading decisions. So here at TradePulse, we provide real-time market flow data, real-time order flow data to really give you the insights you need to make the most informed trading decisions possible intraday. So wanted to cover one of our features of our platform today. As you see, we have sector flows pulled up here on our screen. So what is sector flows? Sector flows is essentially ranking each sector on the day by its performance. So as you see, we have a percent change column that's really showing you on the day, which sector is performing the strongest. And then as you move right here, you see we have our order flow metric column. So you see momentum flow, which is capturing the intraday sentiment on the retail side. Our daily flow, which is capturing intraday sentiment on the retail side, but averaging it out over a period of days. And then lastly, you see our large deal flow, which is capturing all the big money that's coming in on the day for these securities. So this is typically your institutional buying and selling that we're tracking with the large deal flow data. So as you see here, we have all the sectors listed and are ranked by their performance on the day. So right now, healthcare seems to be leading the way. Now, if you wanted to drill down and see, which stocks are really contributing to that performance, we allow you to click on any one of these sectors and it's going to expand and show you which stocks by order flow are performing the strongest and really helping drive that stock performance for those sectors. So again, healthcare leading the way here. If we were to click on that healthcare sector, you'll see it's going to open up and it's going to show you the top 30 stocks in terms of order flow strength on the day. So as you see, looks like Johnson and Johnson leading the way right now. Now you see we have the same order flow data metric columns, momentum, daily, and large deal. And then you'll also notice we have a score column here. This score column is aggregating those order flow datas together and providing you a score to really show you, which stocks are performing the strongest relative to their typical daily trading volume. So this score is really meant to show you overall which stocks are performing the strongest relative to how they typically trade. And this score column, you'll see that as orders come in, you'll see different names rise or fall based on the orders that do come in. But really what we're doing here is giving you a sustained view of the market in terms of which stocks are performing the strongest in terms of order flow that are really helping drive that overall performance for that sector. And as you notice here, because again, this is top flow, so we're really measuring the top stocks in terms of order flow, you should see a lot of green on this page typically because these are the strongest performing stocks in terms of order flow. And that can typically be a pretty good indication of how a stock may perform based off that order flow strength. And as you see under the percent change column, we do see a lot of green here, really indicating and really illustrating, how important that order flow can be in really driving a stock's performance on the day. So if we were to go back to our sector flows column here, back to our sector flows section here, and you'll see most sectors are in the red today. Healthcare and consumer staples seem to be the only ones performing well today. Now, if we wanted to check out a different sector, so for example, technology seems to be down on the day. If we were to click on technology and really expand that, it's going to show you again which stocks within that technology sector are actually performing, pretty positively in terms of the order flow. Now you'll notice we actually, even though the sector is in the red, you can see technology is down about 2% on the day. You do still see some green under the change column, the percent change column, showing you which stocks are performing well. And again, with our score column really ranking to show you which stocks within that tech sector are actually performing well in terms of order flow strength. And you can see a lot of green under the different order flow metric columns as well, because again, these are the ones that are performing the strongest on the day. So just one example of our platform. Wanted to share with everybody today. Hope you found that useful. If you want to learn more, have any questions, feel free. You can reach us. We're at tradepulse.net. We'd love to hear from you. I want to thank everybody for watching today, and thanks for choosing TradePulse.